Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with your Apple ID in Settings. This links your iPad to iCloud. Once signed in, make sure iCloud Drive and key apps like Photos and Contacts are toggled on. These decide what syncs. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network and optionally plug into power for large uploads. This speeds initial backup and prevents interruptions. If you have two-factor authentication, follow the prompts on a trusted device. It secures your account before syncing begins. Next, you manage storage so syncs don't stop mid-process. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and manage storage to see what's using space. Once there, tap Backups to remove old device backups or delete large app data you no longer need. This frees room immediately. If you still need more space, upgrade to a plan like 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. Make sure to pick one that fits family sharing if you want multiple users covered. Finally, complete setup by running a manual backup. Go to Settings, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and Backup Now. This confirms everything uploads. If something does go wrong, first check Wi-Fi and available storage, because most failures are network or space related. Once done, try signing out of iCloud and signing back in, or restart the iPad to reset connections. If issues persist, check Apple System Status. It rules out server outages before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.